Hello, welcome to our class on statistics. We are still on measures of central tendency, and let's look at median. What median is. When you talk about median is the middle value of a given data. All right, the middle value of a given data. So when you are given the data, what you have to do is what? First of all, arrange the data in order. Okay, preferably in ascending order, from the lowest to the highest, and then you find the middle value of the data. All right, and what you have to take note is that you have to look at the values that are given. Okay, the number of values. Okay, or if it's a frequency table, you have to look at the total frequency. If the number of values that you are given, if it is even, then it means that there will be what? Two numbers in the middle. Even. Two values in the middle. If the number is odd, then one value in the middle. Okay. For instance, if you look at my fingers here, okay, this is 4. How many values will be in the middle? So these two will be in the middle. All right. That's because 4 is what? An even number. But the moment I make it 3, then only 1 will be in the middle. That is what we are talking about. Okay, so first of all, 1, arrange the values in ascending order. 2, check the number of values. Okay, if the number is even, then it means that there will be 2 numbers in the middle. Add the 2 numbers, divide by 2. All right. If the number is odd, then you have no problem. Only 1 number will be in the middle, and you are good to go. So let's look at some examples right now. Okay, so find the median of the following data. So we are going to look for the middle value. Okay, so number one, what you have to make sure is you arrange the data in order. So 1, then we have 2, 3. There's another 3 here. And we have 4, then 5, then 7, 8, and then 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, so this is our data there, and then we are going to look for the middle value. So first of all, arrange in order. So in order, this is what we have. All right. So after you have arranged the data in order, then we are going to look for the middle value. Okay. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It means that since the number of values is odd, there will only be 1 number in the middle. So it is 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me put this 4 aside. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me also put this 4 aside. Okay. So the middle value will give me the number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the 4 here is left in the middle. So therefore, my median is what? Is 4. My median is 4. All right. And with the same question, you can also go by the formula. Okay. We have a formula that we can use to also to find the median, and the formula will give you the position of the median value. All right. So you say that if the number of values, let's say n, or you can say the total frequency, is odd, okay, then it implies that our median is what? Then our median is going to be half of n plus 1 position. So this is the formula that we can use. So if you count the number of values here, okay, the number of values of the data given. So let's say our number of values is n. If it is odd, then what we have to do is to add 1. Okay, you add 1 to the number of values, or the total number of values, then you multiply by half, and the value you get, the answer you get will be the position of the median, where the median is. Okay, so we have half of, so we count them 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. It means that our n is 9. That is the number of values plus 1. You add 1 to it. Position. So half of 10 will give me 5. So the fifth what? Position. So it means that 9 plus 1 give me 10. Half of 10 is 5. So it means that my median is going to be the fifth position. When I count from the first value, okay, when I get to the fifth number, that is where my median is. And let's count and see. 1 2 3 4 5. So the fifth position is the number what? Is the number 4. That is that therefore your median is 4. All right, I believe you get it. So if you count the number of values and the number of values is odd, add 1 to it and then multiply by half or divide by 2. Whatever you get is the position of the median, not the actual answer, but the position of the median. Is that okay? All right, so that is that. Let's look at the number 2. So you can also apply this formula, okay, especially if the data is a lot, okay, or if it is frequency distribution table. So let's go to number 2. Okay, number 2. So you also arrange in order. So in order, you are going to have what? 30. Then 33 will follow. 34. Then 36. Then 40. 41. 43. Then 45. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. All right, so we can find our median is 8. So 8 is what? Is even. It means that there will be 2 values in the middle. All right, 1 2 3. 1 2 3. So these 2 are left in the middle. Okay. So let's find the median here. So the median is going to be 36 plus 40 divided by what? Divided by 2. All right. So 36 plus 40 divided by 2. And what will be 36 plus 40? That will be 76 over 2. All right. So 76 divided by 2 will give us 38. So our median is what? Is 38. All right. So what you have to do is that you have to, because it's even, there will be 2 numbers in the middle after arranging in order. Then the 2 numbers in the middle, you add them and divide by 2. Okay, so we have 38. All right. You can also go by the formula. If you want to go by the formula, then this is what. So if the number of values, that is n, is even, if it is even, then our median is going to be what? Half of the nth position and the next position. Okay, so if it is even, then it is telling that there will be 2 numbers in the middle. So don't add 1 to it. Half of the nth position and then the next position. That 2 position will be where the median is. Then when you get the two value, you add and divide by 2. Is that okay? Okay, so it will be half of, what is the n? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So half of 8 will give us 4. So the 4th and what? 5th positions. So that's what we are talking about. the fourth and fifth position. So you count and identify your fourth and fifth positions. All right. So first position, second, third, fourth, and fifth. So the fourth and fifth will be 30 and then 40. So first position, second, third, fourth, and fifth. So your median, you say that therefore your median is what? 36 plus 40 divided by 2. And that is what we have there, 76 over 2. And that will give us the 38. So our median is 38. So the formula gives you the position of the median, the position of the median. Okay, so if it is even, just count the number of values, that position and the next position, because there will be two values in the middle. I believe that is clear. All right. Okay, so in our next lesson, we are going to look at how to find the median from a frequency distribution table. All right, so I'll see you again as we meet in our next lesson. Bye bye.